Wow. So how this thing? How long do they take to grow when they are like small? How many years before they become big?
So like 3 years you go start, you go take man now, you go born.
Oh,
Some
okay.
3 years now
So
you
if
start the
if
born.
they give birth to the cow,
Uh,
3 years, he will also start giving birth.
If you
Wow,
start,
wow, wow,
if you like no hungry, 3 years later you go get baby.
wow, wow,
If you
wow.
hungry like
So
4 years
how many like how if they are giving birth, how many, one or two?
or one,
One.
some go give two, no be any time you will get like that.
Oh, okay. Some of them they give two,
Uh-huh.
but most of the time one.
See
Oh, okay.
like them all be 100, no cow they born two. He say like
Okay.
some be small, one cow you go take the born two, two, two,
Two,
two.
two, two, two. Wow, 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 wow. Did you guys hear that? So the cows they give birth to one each, one each. If you are
Normally.
lucky, they can give birth to like two ones for you, but they give birth to like one each. Well, you see them, you see them. Hey, I'm